Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In the last video we have just added library in the project, and in this video we will create our first PDF using this PDF box. So the first thing, we need to create one main class that is the entry point of our project. So in the project, and here you will find this Java under this src main, then Java. So just right click here and new Java class. So we will call it main class. Then press enter and it will create one Java class which name is main class, and here public static void main. So just write psvm and then press tab button. It will create public static void main, and in this main method we will write our code. So there are only few line of codes that we need to write, and then we will get our first PDF. So the first is we need to create one PD document object. PD document, and we will call this object document equal to new PD document semicolon. Now we need to save the PDF somewhere in our drive, so we will save that using a method called save. So document dot save, and here we will put the path. Okay, so for path we will use C drive, and in the C drive we have one directory that is PDF, and in the directory we will save our PDF with the name my PDF. Okay, so in the C drive PDF, then my PDF. After the saving we will call a method that is systemout.println, and that will give us a message that is PDF created. But before that we have this nice error, so just press alt enter, and we need to either surround with try catch for the exception, or we can just add in the method signature. So we will choose first one, and it will save, and it will add this line here. Okay, now after this system dot, and here one message that is PDF created. Now finally don't forget to close the document. So document dot close. Okay, so only 4 line of code we need to have to add a PDF in our drive. So just run this. So for first time running we need to right click here and run. And here you can see the message PDF created. Now open the directory. So in the C drive PDF, and here my PDF. When you will open this, it will give one error because we don't have any page in this PDF. So let's add one page in this PDF, and for that just press OK here, and here what we need to do after this document object creation, we need to create another object of pd page, and we call it first page. Okay, so we have this first page and we will add this in the document. For that, document dot add page and here first page. Now again let's run this. Now here PDF created, and here just open this and you can see we have this page here. Okay, so successfully we have created one PDF which has only one single blank page. So this is the method that we can use to create PDF. Okay, in the next video we will continue this discussion. So this is enough for this video. Please subscribe this channel, like this video and also share this video. I am creating this series in English and Hindi, both version. So if you understand Hindi, then please also watch this series in Hindi, and if you only understand English, then this series is enough. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.